Hello and welcome to day 2 of the 21-day confidence tips series. I'm Jonathan Butler and I run My Fit Mind, helping people be more confident and resilient. Today I am going to talk about positive words. Now, given we're coming up to New Year and that's the time of New Year's resolutions, I'm going to talk about the power of words for your New Year's resolutions. Now, I don't know about you, but perhaps you've made a resolution in the past that hasn't lasted much beyond the first few weeks of January. Maybe that's happened to you. I know it's happened to me. So here is what you can do with the power of words. But first of all, remember that your mind is like a computer. It responds to pieces of code, to instructions. And these instructions need to be simple, clear, and positive. So, for example, if you want to take up running in the new year, instead of saying what you might well say right now, like, I'm going to try running, I'm going to have a go at running, I should do some running, I might go running if the weather's good. You need to change those words to give your mind a clear command, a clear intent. So you need to change those words to, I am now a runner. I love running. I go running every day. I make time for running. Running makes me fit. Running makes me happy. Do you see the difference in those words? Your mind, if you keep telling yourself those words consistently for at least 21 days, your mind will take on board those words as commands, as instructions. It will believe what you tell it. So my tip for the day is use positive words in all aspects of your life, but try it with your New Year's resolutions. I am, I will, I do, I am. Your mind hears that. Tell yourself that every day and it will become your reality. I hope you've enjoyed today and I look forward to sharing my next tip with you tomorrow.